Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use TikTok template on CapCut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go step into our video. For the matter, there is a direct way for you to do that by TikTok itself. First, access your TikTok app and go to search icon and type in CapCut templates. Once you do that, you're gonna simply find the CapCut template for your TikTok itself. Tap on this try this template over here, and this will redirect you to CapCut. Tap on this use template in CapCut. Now here you're in your CapCut app. Tap on use template and now choose a video for you, and you can see the preview. You can use your TikTok template like that. Other would be simply cross this out, discard, go back, and again open your CapCut app. Now go to this for you section. Here you can see you can find all kinds of templates that are available, and you can just go ahead, use any of them, use this template, right, and make the video, upload them on TikTok, and you will be done. But the first way would be very easy for you to access and get the exact trend going on. You can follow it. So that's how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.